Hi, 7th graders. This is the video for the first full week of May. I'm just going to go over some of the assignments that you'll see posted. You can already see on the side, we're in the stream right now. So on the side of the stream where it says upcoming assignments, there is one listed that is due later today. And there was one that was due earlier yesterday from last week. So I'm just going to review those quickly. All right, if you click on the classwork tab, you'll see this is the introduction to linear perspective. So that was a series of questions I went over last week. I believe there is a directions video posted right there. So if you need more clarification about that assignment, watch that video. I'm going to focus on this assignment, practice 1, where you're going to create a series of basic cubes in accurate 1-point perspective. So the first thing you're going to do is watch this video, how to draw cubes. We're going to skip. And here we go, skipping the ad. Okay, great. So this person is using a ruler. If you do not have a ruler, you don't really need one because you're not measuring anything. You're just going to need a straight side. So you can also use a folder, a book, a tissue box, anything that has a straight edge on it. And this person started by making a horizon line. So one horizontal line going across the page. They put this little dot in the center, that's the vanishing point. And now very quickly they're making 3 squares or rectangles. Doesn't matter if they're squares or rectangles, both work. But notice I didn't say cubes yet. Right now these are flat shapes. And what they're going to show you step by step is how to use that vanishing point to create accurate dimensional size for cubes out of these rectangles and squares. So basically, all they're going to do each time is from each corner of their shapes, they're going to connect corners to that vanishing point. So they're going to go from the bottom one here, then they're going to do this next top corner, and the only line that they're not going to connect are ones that go through the shape. So this one is still going through empty space, so they're still going to draw it, but now watch what happens. So there's still this bottom corner right there, and here they're not going to draw a line because it's going to cut right through that shape. So they're going to do that once more, and then I'm going to skip ahead a little bit. They're going to show you how to end the sides as well using parallel lines. So if you don't have an eraser, if you're doing this in pen, it's fine. You can just cross out any lines that would have to be erased. But you want to show that you know where to add parallel lines to end the form so that the form doesn't just continue back to the vanishing point for forever. You want cubes that have clear sides and clear ends to their sides. So what they're going to do, using their straight edge, or in this case a ruler, they're going to use the straight edge, line it up to the beginning sides, and cut them down with parallel lines. So the trick here, what they're showing is you can't change the angle. You've got to move it out and make sure that the angle of your straight edge does not tilt or go diagonal, because that'll throw the illusion of space off, the illusion of depth. So this started vertical, now it has a vertical line to end it. This is horizontal, so it's going to need a horizontal line to end it. So you're going to watch this video. Once it goes a little bit further on, she's going to show you how to make some other cubes, some that are overlapping. You can do those for extra credit if you want, but it's not required. You only have to do 3. She's also going to demonstrate how to add shading with a light source. Same thing, this is all extra, that's not required. Now, if you mess up on that, if that's really hard for you to do, instead of just doing 3 boxes, you can do a total of 6. And showing me that you did another whole attempt will get you 100% on the assignment. So again, if you mess up, it's fine. Just do it again for 100%. I prefer pencil and paper, but you can use marker, crayon, anything. You can do this with ketchup on a plate. If you prefer, you can also use these applications here, and then you're going to insert a picture of your finished work here. And that'll be all for this assignment. I will post a follow-up video for the other assignment that will be showing up later this week. Email me if you have any questions or comments, and I will see you in our class on Friday.